Hi students, in this video we are going to learn think, discuss and write from the lines and angles chapter. Now before answering these questions, first you must understand what is adjacent, what is supplementary, complementary, what is obtuse and what is acute. You must understand. Then only you can answer all these questions. So first we are going to learn what is meant by adjacent. Adjacent means two angles, they are having a common arm. For example, I am just drawing a diagram here like this. These two are adjacent angles. It's not only a acute one, it can be like this also. These two are all adjacent angles. Like this also it can be. So this angle and this angle also can be called as a adjacent angle. So what is the adjacent means? They should be having a common arm. So this is a ray we are getting. It's an arm of the angle. So this is a common arm. So this is a common arm for these two angles. This is a common arm for these two angles. So this is called. So next we should know that what is meant by supplementary angle. Supplementary means when you are adding two angles, that sum should come to 180 degree. Sum is 180 degree for the two angles. Then it will be called as a supplementary. Then complementary. Complementary means what? Means when we are adding two angles, that addition will come to 90 degree. Sum is 90 degree is called complementary angles. Then next we are going to learn what is acute angles. So acute angles is angles less than 90 degree. Angles less than 90 degree. Greater than 0, less than 90 is called acute angles. Next we are going to learn what is obtuse angles. So obtuse angles are nothing but more than 90 degree. More than 90 and that should be less than 180. That should be less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. Exact 90 degree will be called as a right angle. More than 180 will be called as a reflex angle, that we know already. Now let's answer these questions. Our first question, can two adjacent angles be supplementary? They are asking. Yes, it can be a supplementary also. So we should write it yes. So yes, we can say. How it is yes means, we can take a straight line. We can draw two adjacent angles. This angle and this angle. Definitely if we add these two angles, definitely it will be coming to 180 degree because they are lying on the straight line. So A plus B is equal to 180. They are supplementary. Next question. Can two adjacent angles be a complementary? They are asking. We know that complementary means the addition of two angles should be 90 degree. So we are taking a 90 degree. So this is a 90 degree angle. So we can split it into two parts. So this is one angle, this is one angle. So we can say that this is A and this is B. So here if we add A plus B, that will be 90 degree definitely. So two adjacent angles can be complementary also. Here we are getting 90. So we can say that A and B are complementary angles. They are adjacent also because they have a common arm here. Now third one, question number 3. Can two obtuse angles be adjacent? They are asking. Now we are taking a two obtuse angle. For example, obtuse is nothing but greater than 90 degrees called obtuse. So we can take it in this way. So this one, suppose I am taking this angle is some 100 or this is some 120. Both are obtuse angle here. Now both obtuse angles can be adjacent. Both are obtuse angle, both are adjacent. So that also will be yes only. Fourth one, can an acute angle be adjacent to an obtuse angle? Yes. One acute angle and one obtuse angle can be drawn on the straight line also. Here we have this is an acute angle and this is an obtuse angle. So one acute angle and one obtuse angle can be a adjacent angles. They are asking. Yes, it can be adjacent angles because they have only one common arm. This is acute, this is obtuse. They can be adjacent angles. So yes is your correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.